Hey everybody, Taz here. I'm here with Tom out at the Pleasant Valley Road. This is Pleasant Valley Road. Boise is up there, the airport is up there, but this is Pleasant Valley Road off-highway vehicle area. It's basically just acres and acres of desert where it's legal to ride. So today I'm testing out my new GoPro Hero 10 with an external lav mic that's mounted inside my helmet, and looking forward to seeing how it looks and sounds by comparison to my old Hero 7. And here we go. So this is my KTM 500 XCW. So I'm excited to see how the video looks out of this camera and how good the audio is. It'll be neat to be able to narrate a little bit. Look how dusty. Wow. Wow. Might have to hang back a little bit so I can see the trail. This late in the year, after months of virtually no rain, it gets really dusty out here. Very slippery. Well, no, I shouldn't say very slippery. It's a little bit. I can feel the front pushing. Whereas in the spring, riding out here is really different because it's much more green and much more moist. Although I shouldn't even call any part of the year in Boise moist. it is still high desert, and it does not get wet here. I don't know how it shows on video, but there are lots of rocks on the trail, which make it really bumpy. So this is like hazard pay area. Just kind of making our way across when there's not really any trail. You run the real risk of putting your front wheel in a gopher hole and going right over the bars. So you got to be careful. You can't go too fast. It's nice to not be leading in that situation. Unfortunately, Tom likes to lead. Yeah, in the spring that turns into a big puddle right there on that road. We have to go around it. I love cutting through this sagebrush single track. It is fun. Flame out. Stalled it. This part of these desert rides in the evening is always really nice. Heading into the sun, it can be challenging when the sun is right in your eyes. And when the dust is so heavy you can't see the trail. But it's gorgeous. And nice time in the ride. It's like, follow that dust cloud. It's my boy Pigpen up there. Almost fell over there. There's a turn up here that I always miss. It's a left. And I always run wide right, and I can't remember where it is. Right here, I think. That's the one. Oh, the dust. Haha! Blew that. Nice.
Okay. I'm sure you missed them, but I had two of my closest front end washouts.
Really?
Ever. Yeah. Yeah.
I only had one where I was pushing so far. I don't know how I saved it, but
Yeah, mine was like going into the deepest part of the ravine there.
yeah.
Going in, I lost the front on the downhill off the side.
Ah. Well, good job.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't. It all happened like instinctively to get back on track, and then I really just pushed the front to a corner and ended up in the stage rut. That was good flow.
Oops, this one. Oh. Cannot see. Wow. Big combo. Whoops, almost had me come off. My feet were 6 inches above the pegs.